In this video, we are going to obtain benzofuran. Benzofuran is a colorless, sweet-smelling liquid insoluble in water and soluble in ether, benzene and alcohol. Benzofuran is used for the manufacture of plastics by polymerization of coumeronene compounds. For this synthesis, we will need orthosalicylaldehyde. The synthesis of orthosalicylaldehyde is obtained from sodium phenolate with chloroform with the Riemann synthesis. This synthesis can be seen in a video of my channel. The first step is to obtain formylphenoxyacetic acid. For this synthesis, we will need to prepare a solution of 11 grams of sodium hydroxide in 40 milliliters of water. In a 250 milliliters flask, put 17 grams of sodium chloroacetate and 120 milliliters of water. Add 17 grams of orthosalicylaldehyde and with agitation add the sodium hydroxide solution. Heat at reflux for 3 hours. The solution has yellow color during the heating. All the solid is dissolved. After 3 hours of reflux, let the solution cool and add 30 milliliters of concentrated hydrochloric acid. To check the pH to make sure that the mixture is acidic. Set up a steam distillation apparatus and distill a volume of 100 milliliters. This is done to remove all the unreacted orthosalicylaldehyde. 3.5 milliliters of unreacted orthosalicylaldehyde were obtained. The contents of the flask are allowed to cool and the insoluble oil is extracted with a separating funnel. Extract any oil that has not decanted 3 times with 30 milliliters of ether. Dry the ether solution with anhydrous magnesium sulfate. Filter the ether solution through filter paper in a tiered flask. To evaporate the ether by distillation with a hot water bath. 18 grams of formylphenoxyacetic acid were obtained. The obtained acid is used in the second step to obtain benzofuran. In the same flask as the acid, add 36 grams of anhydrous sodium acetate. 90 milliliters of acetic anhydride. And 90 milliliters concentrate acetic acid. Heat the solution under reflux for 8 hours. After 8 hours of refluxing, without allowing to cool, pour the contents into 350 milliliters of ice water. Add 100 milliliters diethyl ether and stir for 20 minutes. Separate the layers in a separating funnel. Wash the ether layer twice with 100 milliliters saturated sodium chloride solution and 100 milliliters ice-cold water. Separate the ether layer and dry with anhydrous magnesium sulfate and evaporate the ether in a hot water bath after filtering. A brown-colored oil is obtained. The oil is vacuum distilled by collecting the part between 160 and 180 degrees. We determine the boiling point of the product obtained. The theoretical boiling point of benzofuran is 166 to 168 degrees, and our test gave a result of 164 degrees. The product obtained in this synthesis was a colorless liquid with a characteristic odor, and the quantity was 1950 grams.